What's up, you guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. We're doing a point of view in Estonia. We're going to be pulling up to a city soon here. It is currently 7:55 in the morning. It is 9 Celsius, 8 Celsius, 9 Celsius, 8 Celsius, 9 Celsius. Okay, you get the point. It's either 8 or 9 Celsius. We caught up to some trucks, so we're not really moving along, but for the most part, I haven't made a point of view in a while. So, this is Estonia. We're going towards Tallinn because we're taking the ferry to Finland again. And yeah, this is Estonia, man. This is where their roads aren't too bad. Their parking lots are pretty decent. I prefer more than that was the police. They also have a redesign as well. So yeah. Yeah, like I said, their parking lots aren't too bad. I mean, you do have places like this where you just like park like that, but you also got normal lots, and it's better than Lithuania or Latvia. So good job, Estonia. I am extremely proud of you and your good parking lots. I was gonna vlog in the morning for the weekly update video, but I remembered that the GoPro's almost dead, so I had to charge it. So now it's fully charged, and we should be able to make some more content. There's a speed trap here. Is it the fancy one, or is it just the normal stubby one? They have like a stubby one and like a really fancy one. I can't tell which one it is right now. Well, these guys really like to brake. It's a 70 zone, that's why they're braking. I did not see the speed camera at all, so if you guys did, you know, good job. There's the Estonian flag just waving in the wind. Is this a 2-lane? I wish it would be. I would really like to overtake these guys. Well, this guy that's in the back here, he's been going pretty well, but it's the two in front. They're going pretty slow. It's the one in front, actually, I should say, that's going slow. So, you know, patience, I guess. We're only 199 kilometers away from the border, from the ferry. We already drove 176 today. It's been a pretty meh overall day. Alright, so now what I want to know, for anyone watching this, especially for my, like, you know, most loyal viewers, do you guys prefer the weekly update videos, or do you guys prefer the point of views? Who prefers what? I should probably do a poll on my like Instagram or something. I don't post enough as I should. Like, I mean, there's people that would manage my channel probably better than I do, but yeah, no. I just make videos and upload them. That's all I do. I can't be bothered to, like, you know, I don't know, I'm not good with social media, you know, so that's my bad. We slept at Volvo tonight. Could have slept more. I am extremely tired, but it's all gonna be worth it for the weekend. So yeah, don't know how many more videos I have left. That also reminds me, a video came out yesterday. Anyways, yeah, I'm not sure how much this guy's going even slower than the trucks. I don't get that when cars go slower than trucks. What is this? You gonna slam on the brakes too, bud? He's cruising. Oh, they were really slowing now. I mean, like, I know it's a 70, but it's not a 60, you know? I don't know. Those look like a BMW, but it passed real quick. Yeah, please don't go slower than a fucking truck. Like, that makes no sense to me whatsoever. How? How are you gonna go slower than a truck? I still got a cold. I thought I was done with the cold. Oh, look at all these trees that have fallen now. Like the way I sit in this truck is so high. In general, the seating position in this Mercedes is very high. So I tried to show you guys the ferry, and I was like, here it is, and you guys saw absolutely nothing. So my bad. So, you know, don't know if this is gonna fit on the vlog on the GoPro, because I didn't delete the old footage. I need to do that, and then I can pull out this footage completely later. I don't really doesn't really bother me. Yeah, so a little bit low energy. We're not always high energy, you know. I wanna show the realistic life of trucking, right? Like I don't wanna be like, oh, this is gonna be great. No, I spent like 3 hours and 20 minutes loading yesterday. Like actively loading the entire time. It's not like I was sitting in my cabin or anything. No. I was back there helping the dude out to load me, and I'm exhausted. Plus I made food because you're not gonna. Man, did I have some good burgers. I made some burgers in the truck. I cooked up some patties and stuff, and it was just, the cheese could have been different. I could have used some cheddar cheese instead of the cheese I was using, but nonetheless, absolute fire. It was great. I already knew I was going to go to Finland this week. To be honest, I would like to go back to Austria because it's just less tiring than it is to go to Finland. Because with Finland, you got to catch the ferry, right? So you're constantly driving in a way where you would catch a ferry. Like my ferry's at noon, registration's until 11, and you wake up early enough to make it. If I was going to Austria, I would have eventually woken up. Like I would have just not even set an alarm. I mean, a turn signal would have been nice, but to each their own. Is this our chance to overtake? Is this our chance to overtake? It is our chance to overtake, although we are entering a city too. But still, it's our chance to overtake. Because we're not trying to chug along with him. We have to turn off in a kilometer, so I don't know if I could overtake him in a kilometer. But he's going so slow that I'm gonna try my best. Damn it. Well, I'm gonna be at the front of the line. Thank God we're light, because we could accelerate pretty hard. I hope these guys are light too. Because I'm extremely light. I'm like 5 tons. Metric, obviously. So, I don't weigh anything at all. We'll probably get through the city, and that's what I'll name it. Driving through Prague? I have no clue how to pronounce it. What is it saying to do here? Yeah, keep left. Keep right. I'm sorry, I'm so sleep deprived, it's ridiculous. Yeah, they're heavy. Us, not so much. Now the question is, will I have enough room to switch over? Because we need the other lane. Volvo's letting me in, so that's nice of him. Let's give him the oh, thank you. Thank you. There we go. And away we go. Yeah, I knew I was gonna have enough time. I will overtake this guy eventually though, because he doesn't seem to be going that fast either, and those two seem to be putting the pedal to the metal. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're only going 40, and there's not a 2-lane here. Okay, well, in that case, yeah, that guy's going zoom zoom. You know you're in the city, bud, right? Like the truck in the very front is just like, nah, I'm going zoom zoom, bro. They recommend 60. I mean, recommendations are only recommendations, right? So hey, at least I get to do like some city driving, wake me up a little bit. I was thinking about taking my I like what they did with that sign, bite stop, and they took a bite out of the sign. Clever. Yeah. Also, all of the parking pretty much in Estonia is free, which is weird because, like I said, in the industry over here, most of it is not. And yeah, does he have like a big plus on the side? Is he like an AIDS truck? Not an AIDS truck, like, you know, like aid. You know what I mean? Providing aid. I am gonna try to overtake this guy. I'm pretty sure we're gonna still get 2 lanes because, like, I mean, we are going zoom zoom through a city, but 70 apparently here. Okay, looks like it's gonna open up to another 2-lane. And this is where the advantages of weighing less, right? Because everyone's governed at 55. Some trucks go 56. If there's ways to go faster, 60 and plus, but it's not technically legal. So yeah. All right. Here we go. We're gonna give her the biscuit. Yeah, these are not my trucks then that I was following. That's 100%. Is it? I don't want to be the first one, but since we're already here, might as well keep going, right? I'm extremely light, so for me to floor it, it's not that difficult. Should I be in this lane? No. Am I in this lane? Yes. And as long as this doesn't change, it should be fine. This Mercedes wants to race. It's not a race, but it can be a race. Let's see whose truck's actually faster. See, and this is where the governor part comes in. I'm quicker than he is. And I'm lighter than he is, most likely. And I guarantee you, if you look at this plate, he's going to be Polish. I guarantee you. Why? Because that's what Polish people do. They see you overtaking, so they have to floor it. They cannot resist flooring it. If I have any Polish viewers that do that, what the fuck? He had his chance to go quick, and they don't, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get behind this guy if I can. Nah, he's gapping. He's like, fuck that. I will most likely let that guy over again, but it's just the fact that he pissed me off for doing that. You know what I mean? I mean, I can go 90. I have the I have no weight on me, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal for me to go 90. We're turning off soon. Opa. This is the city. See, it's also 8 in the morning, so people are awake now. It's a little bit of a pain. What time are we gonna get there? Yeah, I knew we were gonna get there fast. I don't know why my GPS calculates so fucking stupidly, but like, it's just not great. It's just not. Okay, if I can get in front of this Toyota, I'll come back into my lane. That's proving more difficult. Be able to cut in. We're not going to be able to cut in. Oh, well, isn't that nice? I do need to come in, but I don't have the space I need. Let's let this Toyota go. I'm going to try to come back in because we do need to come over. That's probably like one of the best feelings though, is when they floor it and you're like, I'm not even going fast yet, bud. But it is the problem of being limited at 55 with everyone, so. He's gonna try to come over. I know he is. I know for a fact. If I let him, he will. So, that's just a little city. Someone told me the population was like 1.3 or 1.4 million. Extremely surprised of how small the population of Estonia is. It's wild. I thought Lithuania was a small country, but like, you know, turns out it's not. Turns out it's doing pretty alright for itself. That was jank. Alright, so now we need to be in this lane. See, Tallinn. But we don't want to turn off right here. All right, let's slow down, big girl. Okay, now this Volvo's gonna get in as well. Because why not? That made me really slam on the brakes. If you would see my load, you would see why I would like really want to avoid slamming the brakes. But it is what it is. Oh, that Renault's gonna gap us now. That Renault's gonna gap us. He's gapping us. Maybe he's not even going to Tallinn. Who knows? To be honest. It's a nice little city. I don't know. Overall, Estonia is nice. No complaints here. Have to be careful when I turn because, like I said, my load is fucking wonky as shit. You're gonna go. I know you're gonna go. So this is that little town, whatever's in the title, because I have no clue how to pronounce it. The laws of crosswalks are the same as they are in Lithuania. I have to allow people to cross, but yeah. At least in Estonia they wait to actually have a gap. Where in my country they just kind of dive in the road and hope for the best. Like, okay. And then when you do hit them, it's your fault because technically they were on a crosswalk, so. Okay. Alright, so I think that's pretty much the city. I think that's going to pretty much be the vlog as well. Gonna do some point of view after this, right after this. So, anybody that watched this one's going to also see this in the point of view. But the point of, no, in the vlog, but the vlog always comes out beforehand, so. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, do. You know, it helps the channel grow. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's have a conversation in the comments. See ya.